At present, the petrochemical energy mainly used by human beings can no longer meet the rapid development of the world economy. As a new type of energy, biomass energy has clean and renewable characteristics while reducing damage to the living environment. It is strongly supported by my country. Greenvinci Biomass Machinery Company Limited. It's located in Foshan, one of the most developed regions of the country's private economy. Founded in 2012, Greenvinci is a national high-tech enterprise engaged in the research and development, production, promotion, and application of biomass gasification technology. Greenvinci has always been adhering to the corporate culture and business philosophy of stable, professional, honest, and win-win. After years of operation and development, it has established a BOT model based on construction, operation and transfer, and contract energy. The management-oriented EMC model has formed its own unique advantages in terms of equipment leasing as the three main businesses, and has become one of the leading companies in the domestic biomass gasification industry. In order to meet the needs of the international economic situation and national industrial policies, Greenvinci has assembled a group of experts in energy conservation, boilers, and biomass combustion technology at home and abroad, including 5 senior R&D engineers, 5 thermal energy technical engineers, and manufacturing and installation after-sales engineering technology. There are 25 personnel and a fuel and energy management team of more than 80 people. They have successfully developed modular biomass gasifiers, biomass pyrolysis burners, new multifunctional biomass pyrolysis steam supply systems and heating systems, and have applied for more than 20 national invention and utility patents, obtained a number of national certifications and honor certificates, and achieved breakthrough results in the fields of biomass energy application technology and thermal energy conversion research and development. So far, Greenvinci has provided energy-saving services to more than 1,000 users in more than 10 countries around the world. Partners are located in more than 30 regions around the world. At the same time, the company has carried out technical cooperation with the Chinese Academy of Sciences Guangzhou Institute of Energy and has established a talent cultivation system with universities such as the Guangdong Environmental Protection Engineering College. In the future, Greenvinci will continue to increase investment in R&D and technological innovation and continue to provide high-quality and efficient thermal energy equipment and comprehensive energy solutions for the majority of energy users. At the same time, it will contribute to the promotion of global energy conservation, carbon reduction, and clean energy utilization power. Greenvinci has been looking for the distributor of different countries around the world. Welcome to join with us.